Hello, and welcome to your English listening practice. Today we have a short and easy story in English. Listen carefully, try to understand the meaning, and improve your English skills. Are you ready? Let's begin. Story: The Lost Necklace. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a girl named Anna. She was kind, smart, and always helped her neighbors. One sunny morning, Anna woke up and reached for her necklace. It was a gift from her grandmother, but oh no, it was gone. She looked under the bed. She looked in her drawer. She even checked her dog Max's bed. But the necklace was not there. Anna felt very sad. She loved that necklace more than anything. She walked outside and asked her neighbors, "Have you seen my necklace?" Old Mr. Brown said, "No, but I will help you look." Little Timmy said, "I saw something shiny near the apple tree." Anna ran to the apple tree. There, under some leaves, she saw it. Her necklace. "Thank you, Timmy," she said with a big smile. She picked it up and put it around her neck. "I will never take it off again," she laughed. From that day on, Anna always kept her necklace in a safe box when she went to bed. And every time she looked at it, she remembered the people who helped her, and how a small village can have a big heart. Great job! You have completed today's listening practice. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more easy English stories, subscribe to this channel and keep learning every day. And feel free to drop your opinion and comment below. Thank you.